I met with Dr. Patel and I got my machine. The CPAP machine has made it better for me. I sleep much better at night. I do not snore anymore. I'm sleeping a lot better now with the help of Dr. Patel and the Sneeze and Snooze Clinic.
My latest book, CPAP is Sexy, teaches you the health benefits of sleep apnea treatment. The CPAP masks do not have to be big, bulky, uncomfortable. Read the book. I'm confident it will put you to sleep.